If you need to double-check which Pixel model you have, there's a few easy ways to do it. Let's look at settings first. Go to Settings, and then scroll down to the About Phone section. On the top, the device name usually says which Pixel version you have, but if you've changed the phone name to something like Randy's phone, you can also see the model number down below. Scroll down a bit, and under Device Details, you'll see the model number. Another way to get more details is to tap the Regulatory Labels menu. You'll see a model number here, and although that isn't the exact Pixel version you have, you can type that to Google to get more details on this particular phone model. Lastly, if you're looking at a phone that doesn't power on, or you just don't have access to the display, there's a few ways to distinguish the model by just the physical appearance. On Pixel 6, 7, and 8 models, the camera housing stretches all the way to the edges of the phone frame, like mine does here. On Pixel 9 and 10 models, the camera island is a floating pill shape that does not touch the edges of the phone. There's also the Pro and Standard models. If the phone has 3 lenses, including a squarish telephoto lens, it's a Pro model. If it only has 2 circular lenses like mine does, it's the Standard or an A-series model. And there you have it. Click the like button if this helped you, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.